I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make grilled eggplant and tomatoes with the pistachio cilantro pesto. So we don't need to do much. We just need to grill those beautiful eggplants and tomatoes. I have 4 medium size, or actually these are small eggplants, and 3 red tomatoes, medium size, and I have 1 cup pistachios here, a little bit of cilantro. I'm going to use just 1 garlic clove, and I have ground coriander and fenugreek here. If you don't have those spices, you don't have to add that. This dish is delicious even without that. And if you like spicy, I have little hot pepper here, so I'm going to add that, but if you don't like it, you don't need to add that. So I'm going to grill my eggplants just whole, but I want to cut my tomatoes in half so that they have these beautiful grill marks here. That's going to add additional flavor. So my grill is preheated. I'm just going to place the eggplants and tomatoes here, like that. Very simple. If you don't have a grill, or if you cannot use grill, then you can also use your broiler in the oven. So place everything on the rack and broil them. So I'm just going to close it and cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes and then check. Alright, I have a little chopper here. You can use a big food processor, but because it's not a lot, so I'm just gonna use this. So I have 1 cup pistachios. We can use the whole bunch of cilantro. Okay. And 1 garlic clove. Go, and I'm going to add my spices, coriander and fenugreek, and let's add just a half of this hot pepper and blend it. Alright, doesn't have to be very fine. I kind of like this texture because you can still taste the and have a little crunch from pistachios, and I believe that should be enough for the amount that I have. So it's about 1 cup of the mixture. Right, I'm going to flip the tomatoes and cook from the other side. Alright, this is perfect now. See, when you put the fork in, it slides right in. Just going to move gently on my plate. Gorgeous. I need to peel those first because we don't really need the skin because it's pretty tough. It's hot. Make sure you let it cool first. So after you peel, you can give a rough chop. I have all the tomatoes and eggplants here and the pistachio cilantro sauce. So I'm mixing everything well, and I need to add some salt. Should be enough. So we have a surprise guest here, Lila. This is my daughter. She inspired me to start the budget-friendly cooking because she's in college and she cooks by herself. So she's gonna taste it because I don't like to taste my food. So these are crackers made of juice pulp and almond flour that we just made this morning. Usually we eat in Georgia this dish with corn bread, little corn cakes, and in Georgia we, instead of pistachios, we use walnuts, but I tried these with pistachios last week and I thought it would be really nice and different and less calories because pistachios has less fat. What do you think, Missy?
So good.
Yeah?
I tried the whole thing.
Lastly, I wanted to share with you about my new adventure at Amazon.com. I started a store and I'm selling these beautiful silicone and stainless steel straws, which are perfect for ice water, iced tea, coffee, smoothies. They are different size. This is perfect for smoothie, and these are good for ice water, and they come with the cotton travel bag. You can put it in your purse and carry it with you and stop using plastic straws. That was all for today. Hope you liked the episode, and I will put the link down below and you can go and order if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.